Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
cow feet, aka cow foot. Yeah.
Okay,
that's right. That's right. Yes, cow foot, aka cow feet. Yeah, I said it right the first time, so you act like I didn't hear.
So we are going to dig in. I don't have an outfit for you today, and I may not have an outfit for you tomorrow. I'm going to start fresh the following week. My hair will be done, and I'll be ready to show off my fits.
First lady's already a snack, and she gonna look like a snacker.
A snacker. So honey, you could dig in.
Oh, we got the re-up. Grace, what's up? I'm here. Holla at me. Big body now.
Oh, you got the big one.
Yes. Cow foot. Me want me cow foot. Me want me cow foot. Tell Jelly Belly bring on me cow foot. Me want me cow foot. Yeah. Ooh, wait. Piece of pepper.
We have some peppers just for some decorations and to eat. Let me tell you something. Oh, let me tell you something, guys. Did that ever happen to you?
Tell them whatever you want to have them. I'm hungry today.
I'm so mad. I went and got me a nice juicy pear, aka avocado, right? I thought it dropped out of my mouth, and I cut it. Pear's no good. I can only get these two little pieces. I was so mad.
It's alright.
They lucky the store's closing now because I would have brought it back.
Yeah, you would have brought it back.
My dollar and change.
Okay, look.
That was good.
I don't go in mine. I'm not clean. Alright, which one clean?
Clean and fresh.
Look at that. 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 Take a little piece. There.
Don't knock it till you try
Don't
it.
knock it till you try it. Don't take a lot. Ben I say make emotion, you know. But you're freak.
Now, like I said, don't knock it till you try it. Okay? If you can try cornstarch, you can try cow foot.
And chicken feet.
And chicken foot.
Right here.
One thing I love about cow foot is the bone. Just suck the bone.
Family, my eye is red like I smell the marijuana.
Tired, you just came from work.
It's all good. Not too tired to eat though. I'm eating decoration.
You can't have them.
Oh.
We had them in the seafood bowl, remember? I'm just spilling stuff. It's alright.
They already saw it in the seafood bowl, Tom. They already saw it in the seafood bowl.
That's what I said. I said we had it in the seafood bowl.
Yeah, I said they already saw it. You get what I'm saying?
When you make cold foot, do. Please. I beg you. Here? Don't cook the cold foot so out that it's so, man. I don't know how you like your cold foot, but I like my cold foot to still have, to be soft, but not, yeah, good. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Honey. Honey.
Yo.
You okay?
You don't blind me.
Oh my God.
Damn it.
Wait, you alright?
Wow. Wow. Damn, that shit burned my eyes.
We'll be back, guys. Go wash your hair. Go wash your face, honey.
Whoa,
The
shit,
fuck
son.
yeah.
The fuck?
What happened to you?
That shit split up my damn face, yo.
Oh my gosh. You okay, honey? God damn it. Alright, family. We are back. That was a lot of cleaning up to do. That rice spilled everywhere. Upon the floor, upon the shut, upon the table. Everywhere. Okay?
Nah, stop them though.
My gosh. But what happened though?
I don't know what the hell happened. Somebody wanted my food. Ain't up in the back part about it. I had the hot sauce on it.
Oh.
Yeah, burn my Yeah, man.
I was trying to figure out what was burning you because I was like, it has a little bit of pepper, but not that much.
Yep. How y'all doing, huh?
Yeah, but said something.
You're doing fine?
Cheer you up.
We are back. Thank you for coming back.
I know you guys are still shocked at what happened. We don't even know what happened. We're gonna have to watch it on a replay like you guys.
I don't know what the hell happened. I know I just somebody boxed my food at my own.
I just see him dumpy Sasha was barking at. Our dog just started barking out of nowhere. There was nobody at the door. Nobody's bothering nobody. And Sasha just decided to start barking at the door.
Yeah.
She have us jump up looking through the peephole. Like, who could be it? Who could it be now?
They said
Who could it be now?
Pointing up.
Nothing.
Damn, Tom. Nice one.
Hey man, food tastes good.
God damn. Family. Don't knock it till you try it.
Hey man.
Everybody ready? I saw it come. Don't knock it. You try this thing. Go ahead. This is good. What y'all got going on today? Same old same.
What are you laughing at?
God, I said the same old same.
Oh.
Yeah.
What are you laughing at? When something happened to you.
I said the same old thing. They say you know Corona going on. Family. We be getting some cold weather from the past days. My gosh. The weather's so cold that I have to go walk. You have to warm up the cars.
Yeah. Yo. It's annoying.
Warm up the car. I got up one morning. It said 39 degrees. I thought my thing in my car was broken. Freezing. Boy, nice. How long you had the seasoning? They're trying to season good, yo.
Not too long. Let me tell you something. This bone is delicious.
Yep.
Okay? It's the bone I love. Alright.
Don't judge us, people. This is good. I have never seen this before on the channel. Cool. Right? Don't say I did. Look at his foot.
Yo!
Cow foot.
Ah! That bone.
Oh
Gosh.
Cow. Not gonna lie.
It's good. Now, you can make cold foot and tripe.
No one to try.
I don't want to tripe. I'm not really a fan of tripe. Don't get me wrong, I will eat it. What?
Tripe is the intestine.
It does give the cold foot and the cold foot and the tripe does go really good together. But I don't like the tripe. And
I don't want to try.
you can put butter beans in here as well if you wanted to. It just depends on how I feel.
I don't want the butter beans. That's too long. This is good as hell. I'm not even gonna lie. Boy, nice.
What? What you say?
Boy, sweet.
Oh.
Like everything out.
I missed a spot. Woo.
Your food had no gravy. My food had no gravy on my food.
I hear a lot of gravy.
Yeah. Comment down.
I gotta save that one. Ooh.
If you ever try this. I know my Jamaican people, they will eat it, but now if I remember, comment down and let me know if y'all would try. You know what I'm saying?
You can even curry this too. You can make curry cold foot,
Whatever you want.
brown stew like this.
Let me know if y'all would try this. Yeah?
Yum. Finger looking good.
Look how big it is. The foot.
Don't drop it again, Anna.
No, drop it. I know how that happened. Now watch how they go. How you made it just right.
Just right.
What happened to you?
I listen to you.
Oh.
Just right, man.
Bravo. Go with turn up, man.
Turn up. Cold foot. That's recording? Oh my god, I got scared. It's
Yeah.
man, oh man. Frighten me, you know?
Wow. I just sucked out everything, you know.
And look, I said you have a better bone than me, you know?
Yeah, boy, thing. Foot big, do foot big, yo.
Go for big.
No, I'm not giving you the bone. I'm just making you see how it look. That's the bone. It's big, right? Right in there, first lady. Yes, I'm not giving you. I wouldn't do that. I'm just showing you the bone. So don't run. Excuse me. Juicy, Nina.
Next time I make this, I'm gonna curry it.
And this you can't bite.
No matter how hard you try.
Or probably the only way, if you pressure cook it, pressure it, then you could chew the bone. We don't want the pressure.
Yeah, because the problem with that is that then if you pressure it too long, the meat is so soft. I don't like it like that.
Yeah, just like that. Put on the stove, B. Well, madam.
Nothing.
I tell us we know. Say about like we tell to blow.
I feel like we barely talked today, honey.
Yeah, they got themselves sometimes. We gotta eat. We gotta eat and no. I'm hungry.
Actually, it looks like you need more food.
Man, take piece more when the camera. When the camera turn.
You gonna more?
Yeah, nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's a big piece right here. But and this and oxtail was on the plate. Bye coffee.
Oxtail you go for?
Oxtail I go for. Oxtail I go for. They come from the same place. Eh? Same place they come from. The two of them oxtail and the coffee. Eh? That's how much meat.
I thought they said oxtail come from an ox.
Oxtail come and come.
You still name it?
Yeah. That's so much meat cow cow carry, man. Damn.
You know you can buy.
That's why I tell him, family, you still in to get me my cow yet?
You can buy a whole cow and have somebody cut it up for you, and it can last you a whole year.
Wow.
That's how much meat is on a cow. You have ribs, you have steak.
You have to oxtail about me, you know.
Cold tongue. We use that to make soup. No, we don't use cold tongue in soup. Goat, goat tongue. But hey, if it's meat, we'll use it.
Damn.
I feel like when you suck it on the bone and you don't close your eyes, I feel like it tastes better when you close your eyes.
Where my bone lovers at? I know there's a lot of bone lovers out there. Damn.
You see how tough that is? That would break your teeth. Don't try to bite this. Don't try to bite this bone. You're on your own. Honey, I rhymed. Don't try to bite this bone. You're on your own.
Damn, that was good. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, that was good. We appreciate y'all. We share with y'all. Either you say, oh no, I'm not gonna try that. But try it. Don't forget.
My mouth is tired.
I know. To like, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are first lady?
The Greedy family. Excuse me. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye. You going to sleep? I know you're tired.
Yeah, but like put salt on me eye to fuck.